Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen, as-salatu was-salamu ala khatamin nabiyyin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in, amma ba'd, fa'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim, bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Qala Allah ta'ala fi Surah An-Nisa, فَبِمَا نَقْضِهِمْ مِيثَاقَهُمْ وَكُفْرِهِمْ بِآيَاتِ اللَّهِ وَقَتْلِهِمُ الْأَنْبِيَاءَ بِغَيْرِ حَقٍّ وَقَوْلِهِمْ قُلُوبُنَا غُلْفٌ بل طبع الله عليها بكفرهم فلا يؤمنون إلا قليلا. Translation: Then we curse them because of breaking their bond and for their disbelief in the signs of Allah and for killing the prophets without right, and they are saying, our hearts are hardened. Allah has rather sealed their hearts due to their disbelief, so they believe not except few of them. In the previous ayah we studied that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala took from the Jews a solemn, firm covenant, but these people, they break that covenant, and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala cursed them because of breaking their covenant. The Jews broke the covenant and they were denying the signs of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and they were involved in killing of the prophets of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and they used to say that our hearts are covered and they are hardened, so no good nasiha or no good advice can enter our hearts. And when Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam invited the Jews towards Islam, towards the truth, they said that our hearts are covered and they are hard, and your advice will not reach our hearts. As a matter of fact, these people were ignorant, and these people were proud that whatever ideologies and whatever ways of lives we have inherited from our forefathers, we are so firm on those that nobody can move us from those. And whenever Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala sent prophets to them, and the prophet showed them the signs of Allah, and they tried to convince them, they said that whatever signs you are bringing, whatever dalil or whatever proof you are showing, we are not going to believe on that, because our hearts are covered and our hearts cannot be pierced by any good advice. As a matter of fact, this hardness and this covering is a punishment from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. As Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala mentions in this ayah, that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has sealed their hearts due to their disbelief. So they have increased in their disbelief, and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has sealed their hearts, so they will not understand any sign of Allah or any good advice from the Prophet or any guidance from the Prophet cannot enter their heart. However, there were few of them who had the exception from this rule, and a big example is Hazrat Abdullah bin Salam radiallahu ta'ala anhu, who was among the Jewish scholars, and when Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam brought the Quran and brought the guidance, he and some of his companions accepted the message of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Let's pray that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala open our hearts to the truth, open our hearts to the guidance, and give us the vision that we can see the truth. Ameen. Wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.